The First Amendment and social media, landmark cases in the Supreme Court that could really reshape how people interact online.
And new at 6, Ben Brown with our ABC 15 political team reports on the high-stakes showdown in the nation's highest court.
The hearing stems from two state laws in Texas and Florida. Both argue essentially the same thing, that social media companies are not protected by the First Amendment.
The platform's saying, look, we're like a newspaper. We have as much editorial rights over the content that we publish as a newspaper does. And then the states say, no, you're really like a common carrier, meaning you have to accept all comers.
It all boils down to content moderation, which in an election year could mean votes.
It can change the election one way or the other. It can sway the people who are now undecided.
4 years ago, Twitter suppressed a New York Post story about the Bidens leading up to the election. A year later, the social media giant and Facebook suspended former President Donald Trump's account after they claim he made an attempt to overturn the 2020 election, a claim he has repeatedly denied. Following that move, Florida and Texas passed social media content laws in 2021.
It's a big fundraising tool for both sides of the aisle. So I think all campaigns are watching what's going to come out of this ruling from the Supreme Court today.
The Florida law prevents social media companies from permanently suspending a political candidate, while in Texas, companies are blocked from banning users or removing posts based on their views. Both require the tech giants to disclose how they moderate their content.
If Florida and Texas, the laws are upheld, you in addition to seeing the sort of content flooded that nobody really wants to see, the hate speech, et cetera. Another thing that you'll see, I think, is the platforms will remove a lot more content than they do now because they don't want to run afoul of the law.
The Supreme Court justices seem divided on how to move forward, but a decision is expected by June.
I think the fact that these cases are being decided in an election year is it figures into the backdrop here, and I think will make the court even more concerned about just sort of changing the status quo in a major way.
For the ABC 15 political team, I'm Ben Brown.